Alright, so here's another video on trigonometric integrals. This will be my 8th example. Uh, in this one we have sine 5x cosine 4x dx. Alright, so in this one, if you notice that the angles are different, we've got 5x and 4x here. So how do we go about working this? Well, if you remember from trig, you have your product to sum identities. Okay. Now we had in our problem we had sine mx cosine nx. Okay. We had sine 5x cosine 4x, and so that would be 1/2 sine 5 minus 4x plus sine 5 plus 4x. Okay. All right, so let's go back to our problem, and we're going to rewrite it using this product to sum identity. Okay, if you had sine and sine, then you would use this one. If it was cosine and cosine, you would use this one. All right, so let's rewrite this. So this is going to equal, and the 1/2, I'm going to bring it outside the integral. And so that's going to be the sine of 5 minus 4 times x plus the sine of 5 plus 4 times x dx. And so this is going to give me 1/2, and that's going to be sine x plus sine 9x dx. And now it's just a simple problem. I can use, well, I know the antiderivative of sine x is negative cosine x, and then here I can let u equal 9x and take care of that. And so what I'm going to do is split this up. So that's going to be 1/2 sine x dx plus 1/2 sine 9x. I'm sorry, put my integral sign there. Let me rewrite that. Plus 1/2 and my integral sign sine 9x dx. Alright, so here in this first one, well, that's just going to equal, well, the antiderivative of sine is negative cosine, so that's going to be negative 1/2 cosine x. And then for this one, I'm going to let u equal 9x, so du is 9 dx. Okay. Now, if you notice here, my 9 dx, all I have is a dx, so I need to multiply the dx times 9. And if I multiply by 9, I have to come out here and multiply by 1 over 9. And that's the same thing as multiplying by 1. And so this is going to be plus 1 over 18 sine u. Okay, I plugged u in for 9x here, and then the 9 dx, I'm going to put du. Okay, and so that's going to give me negative 1/2 cosine x. Okay, and then the antiderivative of sine is negative cosine, so that's going to be minus 1 over 18 cosine u, and then I'll go ahead and add my constant term, the plus c. And of course our answer has to be in terms of x, so I'm going to replace this u with 9x, so that's going to be negative 1/2 cosine x minus 1 over 18 cosine 9x plus c. And this would be our formula, our solution. So just remember, if you've got your trig functions and they're multiplied like this and your angle is different, try the product to sum formulas, okay, from trig. Alright, so I hope this video helped, and hope you'll check out my other videos. Thanks.